Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing Premiere Pro. This prevents preference corruption. Next, back up the Preferences folder, copy it to a safe location so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Finder or File Explorer and navigate to the Roaming or Preferences path for Premiere Pro 2025. You need file-level access. Make sure you have admin rights because you'll edit and replace configuration files. This step is decisive. Without the backup and closed app, later changes could be lost or cause UI glitches. Now you edit the actual UI scale entry inside the Preferences file. This is the core action. Use a plain text editor and locate the UI scale or font size key. Values are typically decimals: 1, 0, 1, 25, 1, 5, 2, 0. Change it to the scale you want. For larger text, pick 1, 25 or 1, 5. Save the file and then verify file permissions so Premiere can read it on launch. If the key is missing, add a properly formatted entry. Consistency with surrounding syntax. After saving, start Premiere Pro and inspect the UI. Timeline, tools, menus, and panels should reflect the new font scale. If nothing changed, quit and double-check the edited file for syntax errors, then restore the backup and retry. Once done, you can delete the old prefs if Premiere rebuilt them incorrectly. One key troubleshooting tip: if fonts still look wrong, reset cache, confirm your OS display scaling and GPU scaling settings, because those can override or conflict with Premiere's preference values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.